Hey guys, I'm just editing up this video right now and I need to briefly interrupt because I realized I didn't do an actual intro the day that we filmed it. So here it is. I want to thank you guys very much for clicking on this video and welcome back to TimberMates. In this video, the plan is to mill out this big, huge maple chunk we've had sitting on the property for a while into some live edge slabs. And we encountered a few interesting things inside of this, slowed us down and caused a few hiccups. So I'll let you guys get on with the video. Just wanted to check in, say hi, and thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy. Whoa!
Whoa! Oh! I didn't even see it there!
I swear it missed it by like an inch. Woo!
We're not quite take two. We're not quite gonna fit, as you can see. So I'm gonna trim it a bit just so that the mill can get through. These safety glasses aren't a good idea. Woo, this is really shooting at me. What do you think?
Yeah, should go now.
Should go now. I wonder if we couldn't go through it.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, we found a surprise. That is wild.
It was what? Let's see. At least 6 inches deep. The tree grew right around it.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Looks like a tree repair.
Really?
Yeah, so see how it's split into 3 here? Someone drilled through, which is common practice, and put threaded rod, bolt, nut, or washer, sorry. And to hold these together so they wouldn't split out and crack. Because if you see this side here, it goes into 3, but the back side, only 5.5 feet away, it's a full solid unit, so it went up and just one, split and twisted. So this is a repair someone did. I think we cut it right out, cut the end right off. You done with it?
Sucks though, because you have to take it off to do that.
Nope, you do it right here. It's perfect.
With the chainsaw?
Yeah, look, it's already hanging.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's pretty. Okay, blade has just been changed. You guys saw us do that in the last video, so didn't feel the need to show it. So, a little update. We found another bolt.
Well, we think.
Likely another bolt. Got that far in. No idea where it goes or what it does, but this is only like 4.5 feet or so. So we'd like to save the rest of this, but at the same time, like, how many blades we should go through till we get there. So Brandon's gonna lop the side off of that one. That needs to come off anyways because they can't fit the mill around it.
So, not really further ahead, not really further behind right now, but I haven't been able to find it. Didn't really want to find it. Like that.
What was your theory, my love?
Well, my theory was since they bolted the 1, because it went to 3. So, the last one they had bolted like this, right in here, across, to hold these two together. So I thought when I heard something, I'm like, if it was me doing it, I would have bolted these two together as well, like that, on an angle.
Sure enough.
And sure enough, what do we find? The other one.
There's the bolt. Let's focus. And look at what direction it's going into. So it's cutting down through just like Brandon thought. Alright, so it's like pissing right now. I think we're gonna call it for today. So we just got super rained out. It's pouring. So we'll just pick this up another day.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll get you guys. Just keep watching. This will skip forward to the next day. Okay, cool.
We're all set. I cut the end off the second threaded rod over here. Shame to lose that much, but it's going to be so much work to try to get that out because it's rusted on solid, and I have to hold the rod and to try to cut that out properly without damaging more chains, or it probably wasn't worth the time, unfortunately.
Hey guys, we're back at the mill.
Hey guys.
We only have an hour or two to kind of finish this up, but we wanted to come back and finish up this video of milling that big maple chunk.
Yeah, I just cut the end off because there's a big double threaded rod in this. that we found. So we didn't actually ruin the blade on this one, but we just didn't want to do that. So I just cut the end off. Unfortunately, we lost quite a bit of length overall because of that, but
Yeah.
is what it is.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish up and we'll get with you guys right after we're done.
So if I go down, I'd be there we go, that's good enough.
Well guys, that's it for the maple. We're all done. Everything's stacked here as you saw us do. Yeah. Looks real good. We're pretty happy with how it turned out.
Yeah, we're gonna maybe make some coffee tables out of these later. Maybe a bar top, who knows?
Yeah.
Lots of options for these things.
So thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be more milling in future videos. And we also have some big projects on the go that we're not sure when we're gonna tell you guys what that's about.
Yeah.
But stay tuned, lots coming to this channel, and if you guys enjoy this, please subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!